This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lynn Risch. Structure is a teardown. If magnificent sunsets and grandfather oaks excite you, build your custom home on this stunning 1.65-acre lot on Lake Harris. Lake Harris is in Lake County, Florida, 31 miles northwest of Orlando. It is one of 7 lakes in the Harris chain of lakes and is 21.5 square miles or 15,672 acres of prime bass fishing, boating, or kayaking. The old building on the property has no value but can help reduce your impact fees to build your dream home. Land this beautiful is not available often, buy it while you can. For more information, review the details below.